Hey everybody, it's your favorite doctor once again, Dr. Miles Wisdom. And I actually came up with a new discovery, a new phenomenon. As I was doing my few things, I got to realize that mathematics is a game. I actually did not know that math was a game. But I have come to realize that it is one of the easiest games in the world. So remember, as you do some mathematics, you are actually playing a game. And ensure that as you play that game, you emerge the winner. Today, I will be taking you through a few basics of mathematics. When I'm talking about basics, I am talking about Bodmas. Bodmas is one of those few mathematical formulas that you need to be able to understand to play the game. Let's play the game. Let us have some fun. We will be talking about a very common mathematical formula, and if you follow the mathematical formula, you will be able to do sums that have more than one symbol in mathematics. So you have to be able to understand the order that is there. For you to be able to do these sums, you have to follow the order very strictly. You skip one or you do one before it's supposed to be done, and you're going to get an error in the question that you have done. Remember, mathematics is a game, as I had said earlier. And for you to win a game, you have to play by the rules. So, as you can see here, we have Bodmas. And Bodmas is just like some sort of mnemonic to help you be able to understand what you're supposed to do first and what you're supposed to do last. So as you can see here, we have brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So what you're supposed to do, any single time you're faced with a sum, you're supposed to ensure that you do the question according to this mathematical formula. I have an example here, and I want us to be able to follow this formula to the latter. 32 multiplied by 52 plus 34. 52 and 34 are in brackets over 16 times 88 minus 45. So what are we going to do? We have to be able to establish the numerator first and the denominator. As you can see here, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So first of all, we are going to work on the numerator. So we are going to see 32 times 52 plus 34. That is when we start applying the rule of Bodmas. What we are going to do, we are going to take whatever is inside the brackets. First, we are going to work them out. Whatever symbol they have, whether it is divide, multiply, addition, subtraction, you're going to do it the way it is. As long as it is inside the brackets, it has to come first. So we are going to see 32 multiplied by, when I take 52 and I add 34, I am going to get 86. That is my numerator. I can move on and multiply 32 and 86. As you can see, we have begun with our brackets. We have added whatever is inside the brackets. Then now we have moved on. Now you have been able to remove the brackets. The same case goes to our denominator. As you can see here, we have 16 multiplied by 88 minus 45. This is our denominator. And according to the rules of Bodmas, whatever is inside these brackets has to come first. Remember what I said. Whatever symbol that is going to be here, whether it is addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication, you have to work it out the way it is. When I take 88 minus 45, I am going to get 43. So it's going to be 16 times 43. That is your denominator. Then you now have to finalize your question. So what you're going to do, you're going to take 32 times 86 over 16 times 43. Another rule that I want to put in place: if the denominator and the numerator have the multiplication or the division sign, you can cancel them directly. But if this sign was to be addition and this one was to be subtraction, you have to do them separately and then you work them out later. So because here we have multiplication, I can be able to cancel them directly. Remember, if you have addition, do not cancel them directly. First you add, or first you subtract, and then you can cancel them out. So if I cancel this out, 16 will go here with 2, 43 will go here with 2, and I will get my answer as 4. As you can see, you are able to follow the rule of Bodmas, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This rule applies to when we have combined operations, whether it is in fractions, decimals, or whole numbers. Ensure that you follow this rule.